Hey, what's up guys? So our topic for today is how we can add watermark on Excel. So let's get started. First you go to insert. There you go. I'll make it bigger and then add header and footer. Just like that, and after that you can choose picture. Here is from a file local on your hard drive. I'll choose this one that I've already created, this watermark here, and then click anywhere so it will show up. That's it. If you wanted to edit it, just go here. It will show up. Just click it, and then go to design, picture format. You can also resize it with height and width, the scale, the picture, the brightness. You can edit it. Here's the color. I'll try it wash out, or then press OK, like that. See, that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.